Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Family Squad, this is the Velvetlox with an awesome weight loss video for you today. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 7 kegs of fat with this easy recipe, okay? It's easy, you can blend it in the morning and boom, that's it, okay? You can even do it twice a day, but this is going to help to boost the power of burning fat in your body. So let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so let me show you what you're going to need for this awesome drink, okay? You're going to need a half a lemon, or you can also use lime. You're going to need a piece of ginger, and ginger root preferably, you guys. We're not doing powdered drinks. So you're going to need a piece. Now this is about maybe 2 inches or so of ginger, okay? You're also going to need a small onion, okay? 1 small onion. You're going to need my favorite, which is the Bragg's apple cider vinegar. And you're going to need at least 750 mLs of water. Okay? So let me start off right now by peeling our onions. Now, I know some of you are probably saying, Velvet, what is up with you? Onions? Yes, onions. It's going to really surprise you how powerful this drink is. So after that, now we're going to dice the whole onion into pieces. Now if you have a blender, a personal blender, that'll be perfect. Today I'm going to be using my personal NUTRIBULLET blender. So we're going to just throw that in there. Matter of fact, you don't even have to slice it up. It's so small because the NUTRIBULLET is so powerful. It's going to break through everything. Alright, next I'm going to take my ginger and I'm going to de-skin it. Okay. And with the ginger, I would rather cut that into pieces so this way that blade can shred it through really good. Okay. Next we're going to only use half of our lemon, and instead of juicing it, I'm going to make this even more powerful. And I'm going to put the lemon inside of the NUTRIBULLET, the lemon meat. For those of you who don't really care too much for this, you can just juice it, but this is what's going to make it even more powerful. So we're taking the meat out of the lemon, or off of the rind. And you're slapping that right in there. Now you can take the seeds out if you choose to. Me, I blend it all up. This thing is so powerful, it's going to cut through all of that. Okay. And next I'm going to put 750 mLs of the water. Okay, I'm only going to pour some of the water in there because with this personal NUTRIBULLET, it really does not handle well when there's too much water in it. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my Bragg's apple cider vinegar into my cup. Make sure you shake it up first because the mother is all settled at the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to blend this up. Okay, wonderful. So now you're going to get your favorite mug. Okay, today I'm going to use my Big Mama mug. Some of you have asked me where did I get it from. I got this for $1 at Dollar Tree. Alright, so what I'm going to do, since all of my water couldn't fit in my blender. I'm just going to tap the rest off with the rest of the water. And now I'm just going to pour my drink inside. Okay. And just give it a little twist. Okay, let me test that. Okay. Tastes a little oniony, y'all. But listen, if you can get besides the taste of it, you got this wonderful, powerful weight loss drink that you're going to drink. Okay, there's no sipping this. You drink this in the morning before breakfast on an empty stomach. Do this twice a day. Now, what you can do is you can split this concoction up into half. You can split half of it in the morning, half of it in the evening before bed. Okay, now like I said, it's going to be a little oniony, so just know that the onion taste is going to be there. But if you can get past that, I tell you, you got a powerful weight loss fat burning drink. So drink this twice a day, you guys, and you're going to start seeing your body losing that weight. Okay, it's going to get rid of that stuff in your belly. It's going to have you going. It's going to cleanse your colon. All right, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and also visit my other channel, which is Velvet Vlogs. Go over there right now, subscribe, hit that notification bell on that side, and this way you will not miss the other side of Velvet. Okay, you'll see beauty, hair, family vlogs, hauls. You'll see all of that on that channel. But yeah, so until then, you guys, stay well, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.